So here we have Planet. So this is a flat panel industrial 16 port PoE switch with 2 ports of SFP. So we'll just have a look and see what we get. So we've got our user manual. We've got a wall mount kit. We've got some magnets here, some dust caps and a terminal block and some wall screw mounts. Let's take a look at the unit itself. So it's a flat panel design here. So you got your 16 ports of PoE, you got your little PoE usage indicator light here, you got your voltage inputs. So this can either be via terminal block or via a DC power plug pack. We've got here our 2 SFP ports and our earth strap and a reset button. So you can see there it's quite slim for a 16 port switch, so it's perfect for wall mounting in those, you know, tight spaces. So yeah, that's a 16 port flat panel switch from Planet.